Alright, so I got this on some ramps that can hold 12,000 pounds. And what I got for this job was a breaker bar and something to turn it loose. Now the reason I used a breaker bar was it was too tight, okay? So what you do next is go underneath the car. Okay, now you can see that, right? Okay, all you do is just line up the notches. There's 2 notches right here. Alright, so all you do is line up. I can't do this with my phone. Okay, and then all you do is just twist it until it turns. Find where your oil cap is. And then basically just turn until oil starts coming out. Or until you turn it loose. Let's make sure that you can turn this loose first. You see how tight this is? I'm struggling to open it. Yeah, but this makes it easier, way a lot easier. Okay. You see how it's just dripping out, right? Yep, so I wanted that to happen. I want all of that to drip out. Oops. Just kind of turn with your hand. Oops, I should go ahead and rag. I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back and I got a towel right here just in case. It's kind of windy, so this is horrible time to do this, but it's off. Oh gosh, it's so hot. You see how this just came out? Yep. You just want to wiggle this out. Just get it out like that. And you see how there's a gasket, right? You take this out and then put the new one over it. So let me take the new one out and I'll get back to you. Okay, so all you need is like a screwdriver, like a flathead. I have here, it's a flathead, and all you do is just push underneath. Oops, underneath, and then can't do this with one hand, so you see how my flathead's going underneath, and then just pull it up. So the new one should look like this, and then it should go inside the groove perfectly. And the oil filter should be up here. And this is what I got for my car. I'll put in the links if you have the same car. And then the next thing is to go back underneath. Okay, let's see. Okay, next step is to take this off. And it's tight again, so I might use my breaker bar again. It's tight. You see this? I can't turn it loose right now, so I'm gonna use my breaker bar again if I need to. Which I might. Okay, so I used a breaker bar, which is this long piece, and it seems to make it easier. Now can you hand tighten it, make sure your drop pin or oil pan is close by, and then wait. It might be hot, so make sure you're ready. Oh, and there she goes, pissing away oil. Look how dark that oil is. Anyways, just wait until this whole thing finishes. Should take a couple of time. Make sure everything's empty and don't rush it. So you don't want to rush oil changes. And then I'll be back. Okay. Now that should be less than that because it says 7 quarts. And my car takes about 6.4 quarts. So either they put too much or they never drained it. So this is why you should do your own oil changes. Alright, so there should be enough. I also bought a new oil plug drain too. So let's just put this back on. perfectly. So now I'm just going to tighten it with the regular wrench. I'll be back. So usually make sure you get a new nut, just in case. You never know if it can go bad and things. So you also make sure you tighten everything afterwards too. Oops, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Yes, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Tighten with your hand first. If you can't go anymore, tighten with the nut afterwards. Oops. Okay, just tighten it enough that you can't open it anymore. Don't tighten it too much because you're gonna cross thread it. Okay. Okay. So now the last step is to put the oil filter back on. Make sure everything's running correctly. Okay. This is not that clean, so I'm gonna clean some more. Okay. Clean. So we'll get this out and then put new oil in, and then we'll check it. Alright, so here's a fill hole right here, and then usually says your oil type. Like mine says 020, as you can tell, and then this is to check your dipstick. As long as it's below those 2 notches right there, then you should be fine. So you can see at the bottom, it probably says 2 notches. Yep. And I'm just gonna empty those.